sandstorm in the desert. I can hardly see the road in front of me. You might say that my presence is a hazard, but I feel this is the path of destiny. I'm all alone, so you think that I am lonely. In my heart there is a call I can't explain. The beloved gave me a sign that I did follow, because I know this love is stronger than the pain. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. I ask the tears to wash the veil away. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. But before long I will see clearer than the day. Walking through a sandstorm in the desert, I can barely see the road in front of me. My presence here seems the fruit of a hazard, but I know this is my choice and destiny. I'm all alone, but near me are my brothers, who guide me from the heart towards the goal. We're just a few, still I feel that there are others. We're all searching for the kingdom of the soul. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. I ask the tears to wash the veil away. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. But before long I will see clearer than the day. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. I ask the tears to wash the veil away. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. But before long I will see clearer than the day. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. I ask the tears to wash the veil away. The sand obstructs my eyes, my sight is clogged. But before long I will see clearer than the day.